What? What is this?
This is my new home.
Really?
I had another home after this one was fired up.
Really?
This one was fired up.
Where's your bedroom?
My best room is right over there.
Over there? Really? Where?
That's my bed. That's my bed.
Really?
That's my bedroom.
That bed doesn't look very comfortable.
I know. I had a blanket there.
Really?
I was laying on a blanket. It was comfortable, and I had another blanket for me to wear.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Right here.
Caitlin! You ham.
That's my other home where I can live.
Where?
That's my other home.
Over there?
Yeah. No, right there.
Alright, what's the deal with the rocks with chains
Caitlin.
tied to them?
Why are you posing? Stop posing.
She gonna be a model.